Pilot India is a 70-year-old company and we always aspire to provide products of high quality to our end customer. Hi, this is Akash Manik from Pilot India. Being one of the pioneers in India for spray painting equipments, we have built our entire portfolio now into cutting welding equipments as well as some office automation. Well, exhibitions are a very integral part of our entire operations. I think this is the best way for all our dealers to get introduced to our entire product portfolio. Pilot India has a vast range of spray guns starting from the HVLP series. Now we've classified them under the Evolution series. We have something called the Legacy series, for which Pilot has always been known. Then we have electric spray guns, a vast range of service guns, and cutting and welding equipments and gas regulators as well.